Today I had the opportunity to present my thesis and my research in a conference setting, and that was really, it's a forming experience. It's a very helpful way of forcing yourself to understand your topic in an even greater depth.
I think what I've seen in doing the program is that theology is not a dry subject. It's absolutely vital.
So my kind of dissertation topic about kind of engaging with kind of culture and what sanctification then looks like in relationship to culture, the growth as a Christian. I think that was kind of spurred on by just seeing Christians kind of being confronted by culture.
The master's course that I studied through the Alexandrian Institute prompts you to develop a greater academic rigor in your own studies. And I think those kind of skills and that kind of training course is really invaluable when it comes to doctoral research.
Studying together is really, and studying in community, I believe, is really how the Bible works best. God has made us church, not individuals. He's built us as the one temple, as well as us being the temple of the Holy Spirit. Listening to each other, speaking into each other is how God shapes us, as well as through His Word and Spirit.